Welcome back. This is the final part of our Needle Felting the Elephant Shrew series. This is Natasha Parvin with Spirit Animals Art. Right, here's Rufus, and he is completely done. Just a few little tweaks left to do. That glue actually worked really well for his tail, so I'm going to do that on Giselle as well. And for Rufus, I mixed black in with this color here. The color that I used, the darker color, was like a I think it might be a bear fur from Serafina. It's like a natural black color. But for Giselle, I just did the straight natural black color, so their shades are just a little bit different. And so what I'm doing is I'm not shingling. I decided not to shingle on these guys. So I'm layering colors. I'm going to layer this light brown color, and I'll just fill this in. You'll see me going all around the project, and I'm doing the underneath first and layering it on top. I will do the legs in the back and the legs in the front, and I'll do some on the head, and then I'll do the back top side, and then I'll do more on the head, and then I will just keep tweaking and poking and getting it how I want it until it's exactly how you feel. You just keep stabbing it till you feel like your project is finished. Put it away for a couple of days, don't look at it, and then look at it with fresh eyes, and you can see if you have any little tweaks here and there. Compare it with your reference pictures. And so yeah, so this is going to be your rendition of whatever animal you're working on. If you're working on the giant elephant shrew, it may look exactly like the picture. Some artists choose to do that. They like to have a very, very realistic rendition. Others like to have more of a stylized. If you look at artists' work in needle felting and painting and sculpting, you'll get to where you can tell what artist has done it, because each one has their own style. And as you develop and make more projects, you will see that you will have a style. Even when you're doing a realistic sculpture, it's still going to be your interpretation, which is, I think, one of the great things about creating, is you put your spin on it and how you see it and what is pleasing to your eye. And so that's about all I have to say on this video. So I'm just going to let you watch me do the stabbing, and when you're doing your little critter, you're going to just do it however it feels right to you until you feel like it's finished. And so now Rufus and Giselle, they're finished, and they're having a good old time playing around on my desk, and I will have these up on Etsy very soon. I'm really glad I got them done before Valentine's Day. Actually, tomorrow is Valentine's Day, but they get to spend Valentine's Day together, so how cool is that? So thanks, you guys. Just keep watching the video, and I will see you in the next one.